What is up guys, welcome back to Solo MC Rider. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how to set up and take some cinematic roller with Pocket 3, setting up behind your car. You can take a roller shot like this, rigged it up, went on the highway and took some random dude's car and did a roller shot. So I thought like maybe just show you guys how I set it up. I have a Model 3 has a tow hook behind the car and I will show you how easy it is to set up. Okay, so let's get to it. You'll see how easy and quick that is. I will show you. Tow hook thing that comes with the car. I have the DJI mount. Here you go. And once it goes in here, you can just tighten it up, and the camera is not going anywhere. It's like the tightest and securest fit you can get. And this is the GoPro handlebar mount. You can twist it around, and it locks in there. So these are all these mounts I have already in my possession. To pop this off, just press it in one corner and it comes off, and this is not going to go anywhere because it has a string attached to it. Put this tow hook in there. Once you tighten it up a little bit, and it's not going anywhere. So once I have that set up, all I do is put this, and you see the rubber bushing, and that's what makes it more smoother for me, because I notice the video is not as jittery. This makes it so much smoother. So let's put this and tighten it up, and I can turn this camera around, keep it straight, tighten it up very nice and snug. So with that, it's not going anywhere. See, there you go. That's how easy it is. It only takes like a minute to mount on the car, and that's pretty good setup, and we'll give it a try today. So without any further ado, let's get to the bike. Yeah, so I'm going to do a cold start on the bike. I just took it out of the garage. It's cold. It's like the coldest it could get. There you go. That's the cold start. Bike needs the service soon. Let it warm up a little bit before we go out for a ride. Yeah, so even with the DB killer on, the sound's really good. Still has a nice bass to it. So I still have my full exhaust system, so it works for me. So a lot of people may be not happy, but I am really happy. Let's go out for a ride and let's do some nice cinematic rollers, see how it works. Alright guys, so you guys can see I have the camera set up on the back of the car. It's tracking me right here. So this is how you control the app through the DJI Mimo app. You just draw a line here, so it's going to stay focused. I hope it does. So I'll go back. The bike is nice and warm now. You can hear the exhaust, and you can see the car has the camera mounted on the back, and it starts following me already. So I'm going to draw a line here to track me. Alright guys, so if you guys saw some roller shots already, I was able to rig up on my car and go out for nice little roller shots. Hopefully it comes out the way that I want. Just wanted to show you guys how you can take some nice roller shots with a very budget camera, which well, the DJI Pocket 3 is not a budget camera, but it is a camera that does so much for so little. So that's the surprising and the best part about this camera. So thank you for tuning in today, and if you have any questions or concern, comments below, I will try to answer them. But this is gonna be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it and like it, give me a sub and a like, and we'll be seeing you next year. All right, peace out.